Education has always been evolving, from traditional classroom settings to digital learning platforms. But nothing has revolutionized learning quite like artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is reshaping the way students learn, teachers teach, and schools operate. From intelligent tutoring systems to artificial intelligence-powered grading, the possibilities are endless. Personalized learning. Artificial intelligence has the power to artificial intelligence or education to each student's needs. Traditional education follows a one-size-fits-all model, but artificial intelligence-driven platforms like Coursera, Khan Academy, and Duolingo use machine learning to adjust lesson plans based on individual student progress. Artificial intelligence algorithms analyze student performance and suggest customized learning paths. Students struggling with a subject get additional resources, while advanced learners move ahead at their own pace. Artificial intelligence chatbots and virtual tutors provide 24/7 support, ensuring that learning never stops. Artificial intelligence identifies learning patterns, recognizing areas where students need more help and adjusting content accordingly. Some artificial intelligence systems even provide emotional support, detecting student frustration and offering motivational content. Artificial intelligence-generated exercises and quizzes ensure students with artificial intelligence and information more effectively. Virtual reality and augmented reality (AR), powered by artificial intelligence, can provide interactive, hands-on learning experiences. Artificial intelligence-powered teaching assistants. Teachers often spend hours grading papers, answering student questions, and handling administrative work. Artificial intelligence-powered assistants like ChatGPT, Gradescope, and Jill Watson, Georgia Tech's artificial intelligence teaching assistant, are helping to lighten this load. Artificial intelligence can instantly grade multiple-choice tests, essays, and even coding assignments. Virtual assistants can answer common student queries, reducing the need for repetitive explanations. Teachers can focus more on student engagement, creativity, and critical thinking rather than paperwork. Artificial intelligence can provide insights into student performance, helping teachers develop better lesson plans. Some artificial intelligence tools can generate lesson plans, saving teachers time on curriculum development. Artificial intelligence helps identify struggling students early, allowing teachers to provide targeted interventions. Artificial intelligence-powered tools help in classroom management by tracking attendance and behavior patterns. Smart content creation. Artificial intelligence is also revolutionizing the way educational materials are created and delivered. Artificial intelligence-driven platforms can convert traditional textbooks into interactive, digital formats with multimedia elements. Tools like ScribeSense and Quillions help teachers generate quizzes, flashcards, and summaries from lengthy texts. Artificial intelligence enhances engagement by creating gamified learning experiences and immersive simulations. Artificial intelligence-generated animations and 3D models make complex concepts easier to understand. Artificial intelligence can translate content into multiple languages, making education more accessible worldwide. Artificial intelligence-powered virtual labs allow students to conduct scientific experiments in a digital environment. Artificial intelligence-generated personalized reading lists and study plans enhance student engagement. Real-time feedback and adaptive learning. With artificial intelligence, students no longer have to wait artificial intelligence days or weeks for feedback on their work. Real-time assessment tools can provide instant corrections and explanations. Artificial intelligence systems analyze errors and suggest improvements instantly. Adaptive learning platforms track progress and adjust lesson difficulty accordingly. This creates a more dynamic and effective learning environment where students receive immediate support. Artificial intelligence-driven voice recognition tools help students improve their pronunciation in language learning. Real-time artificial intelligence feedback allows students to identify weaknesses and work on them without teacher intervention. Artificial intelligence-powered plagiarism detection tools ensure academic integrity. Artificial intelligence-generated personalized reports help parents track their child's progress in real time. Artificial intelligence in special education. Artificial intelligence is making education more accessible for students with disabilities. Speech recognition software helps students with speech artificial intelligence summons communicate effectively. Artificial intelligence-driven text-to-speech and speech-to-text tools assist visually and hearing artificial intelligence-med students. Personalized artificial intelligence tutors offer one-on-one learning support to artificial intelligence lowered to individual needs. Artificial intelligence tools help detect learning disabilities early, allowing for better intervention and support. Artificial intelligence-powered exoskeletons and assistive robotics are enhancing mobility and interaction for disabled students. Artificial intelligence-driven translation tools help students with language barriers integrate into classrooms seamlessly. Artificial intelligence-powered emotion recognition tools can help educators understand and support students' mental health. Artificial intelligence in administrative tasks. School administrators are also benefiting from artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence streamlines processes like admissions, scheduling, and attendance tracking. Artificial intelligence chatbots handle student inquiries about courses, deadlines, and policies. Facial recognition technology is being used for automated attendance tracking. Artificial intelligence-powered analytics help schools make data-driven decisions about student performance and resource allocation. Artificial intelligence helps optimize classroom schedules, ensuring better teacher-student distribution. Artificial intelligence-driven predictive analytics can identify at-risk students, allowing early intervention to prevent dropouts. Artificial intelligence simplifies communication between students, teachers, and parents through automated messaging systems. Ethical concerns and challenges. While artificial intelligence offers many benefits, it also uses some important concerns. Data privacy. Artificial intelligence systems collect vast amounts of student data. Artificial intelligence sing concerns about security and misuse. Bias in artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence algorithms can sometimes be biased, leading to artificial intelligence grading or recommendations. Artificial intelligence is not just a trend. It's a revolution that's changing the way we learn and teach. From personalized learning to smart content creation, artificial intelligence is shaping the future of education in ways we never imagined. While there are challenges to consider, the benefits of artificial intelligence in education far outweigh the drawbacks. The key is to use artificial intelligence responsibly, ensuring that it enhances learning rather than replacing the human touch in education.